Welcome to our English learning adventure. Today we're taking a trip to the shopping mall. Not only will we explore the different stores and activities you can do there, but we'll also practice our English skills. Ready to improve your English while having fun? Let's get started.
Alex, wow, look at the size of this mall. I love coming here on weekends.
Jamie, me too. There are so many stores to visit. What should we do first?
When you arrive at the mall, you might notice the different stores and people around you. Common phrases you might hear are "let's go shopping" or "what store should we visit first?"
Jamie, this mall has everything. Look at that huge department store on the left.
Alex, let's start there. I need to buy a new jacket.
When entering a mall, people often say things like, "let's check out the department store," or "I need to buy something." The department store is a great place to find many different items.
Alex, I like this blue jacket. Do you think it will fit?
Jamie, it looks good. Why don't you try it on?
In a department store, you can ask questions like, "Do you have this in a different size?" Or, "Can I try this on?" These phrases are useful when shopping for clothes.
Cashier, would you like to pay with cash or card?
Alex, I'll use my credit card, please.
When you're ready to pay, you might hear, "Would you like to pay with cash or card?" It's important to know how to respond in these situations.
Jamie, I'm starving. What do you feel like eating?
Alex, I could go for a burger. How about you?
The food court is a great place to take a break. Common questions include, "What do you want to eat?" Or, "What type of food are you in the mood for?"
Server, what can I get for you today?
Alex, I'll have a cheeseburger and a soda.
Jamie, I'd like a salad and water, please.
When ordering food, you can use phrases like, "I'd like to order," or "Can I have?" These phrases help you communicate your choices clearly.
Jamie, look at that electronics store. I've been wanting to check out the latest gadgets.
Alex, and over there is a bookstore. Let's go inside and see if there are any interesting novels.
Malls often have a variety of stores. You might say, "Let's check out the electronics store," or "I want to visit the bookstore."
Taylor, hey Alex. Hey Jamie, what are you guys up to?
Jamie, hi Taylor. We're just shopping and grabbing some food.
Alex, want to join us for lunch?
When you meet friends, you can say things like, "What are you up to?" Or, "Do you want to join us?" It's a friendly way to include others in your plans.
Jamie, I need to buy a gift for my sister. Do you think she would like this scarf?
Alex, it's beautiful. I'm sure she'll love it.
When shopping for gifts, you might ask, "Do you think this will make a good gift?" Or, "What do you think of this item?" These questions help you make the right choice.
Jamie, do you know where the restroom is? Passerby, yes, it's down.
Passerby, yes, it's down the hall to the right.
Alex, thanks for your help.
If you need directions, you can ask, "Where is the restroom?" Or, "Can you help me find?" These phrases are helpful when navigating a large mall.
Jamie, look at these luxury boutiques. I've always wanted to see what's inside.
Alex, let's take a look. Maybe we'll find some interesting items.
Malls often have different sections for various types of stores. You might hear phrases like, "Let's check out the luxury boutiques," or "What's in the high-end section?" This is a good opportunity to practice describing different types of stores.
Alex, these new headphones look amazing. I've read good reviews about them.
Jamie, I'm interested in the latest smartphone. Do you know if they have it in stock?
Salesperson. Yes, we do. Let me show you.
Jamie, I'm looking for a good mystery novel. Any recommendations?
Alex, how about this one? It has great reviews.
Bookseller. If you like mysteries, you might also enjoy this one.
When at a bookstore, you might ask, "Can you recommend a good book?" Or, "Do you have any suggestions?" This helps you find the best reads based on your interests.
Alex, look at all these toys. I remember playing with similar ones when I was younger.
Jamie, me too. It's fun to see what's new and exciting.
Toy stores are often filled with fun and vibrant items. Phrases like, "I used to play with these toys," or "Look at the new toys," can help you talk about nostalgic and current toys.
Jamie, these items are on sale. I love finding good deals.
Alex, me too. Let's see what we can find. Maybe we'll get lucky.
When looking for bargains, you might say, "I love finding deals," or "Let's check out the sale section." It's a great way to describe the excitement of shopping on a budget.
Alex, this pop-up store has some really unique items. I've never seen anything like this before.
Jamie, let's explore. Sometimes you find the coolest stuff in pop-up shops.
Pop-up stores offer limited-time items and can be very exciting. Phrases like, "This store has unique items," or "Have you seen these before?" are useful when talking about special and temporary shops.
Jamie, this lounge is a perfect spot to relax after a long day of shopping.
Alex, definitely. It's nice to take a break and recharge.
Mall lounges are great for taking a break. You might say, "Let's relax here for a bit." Or, "It's nice to sit down and rest." This helps you describe the importance of taking breaks during your shopping trip.
Jamie, we should come back next month. I heard there will be a big sale.
Alex, that sounds great. I'll keep an eye out for it.
Planning future shopping trips can be exciting. Phrases like, "Let's plan another visit," or "I heard there will be a sale," help you discuss upcoming events and plans.
Jamie, today was so much fun. We explored so many stores and found some great deals.
Alex, I agree. It was a successful trip, and we learned a lot of new English phrases too.
Reflecting on your shopping experience is a great way to summarize your day. Use phrases like, "It was a fun day," or "We found some good deals" to talk about what you enjoyed. Thank you for joining us on this shopping mall adventure. We hope you enjoyed practicing English with us and learned new phrases along the way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you next time. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. Have a great day and happy learning.